This is the kit for the superposition theorem. Okay. First you take this voltage source E1, second voltage source E2. This voltage source is vary from 1.2 volt to 12 volt, and second voltage source is also vary from 1.2 volt to 12 volt. Take the T connection, connect this positive terminal to this resistance. Take this resistance. This is already connected. Connect this circuit. This is open circuit. Connect with the help of this wire. This is also open circuit. Connect with the help of wire. Okay. Take this circuit. This is already connected. Take this voltage source. This is a T connection. ठीक है, चेक कीजिए. प्लस टर्मिनल कनेक्टेड दिस रेजिस्टेंस. दिस इज ऑलरेडी कनेक्टेड. दिस इज ओपन सर्किट कनेक्टेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ वायर. दिस इज ओपन सर्किट कनेक्टेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ वायर. टेक दिस रेजिस्टेंस, और यू कैन से RB1, RB2, RB3. टेक एनी रेजिस्टेंस. इफ यू टेक RB1, then connect this terminal to this positive terminal, and this negative terminal is connected to ground. Similarly, this negative terminal is also connected to ground. Okay. They measure the voltage. What is the value of E1? What is the value of E2 with the help of voltmeter? This is known as multimeter. You know that. The voltage is DC. Measure with the help of this wire. What is the value of E1 and what is the value of E2? The voltage is 4.98. Okay, E1 equal to 4.98. Connect this circuit. What is the value of E2? This is 10.14. Connect this wire. According to the superposition theorem, when two sources is in the circuit, then what is the value of current in this resistance RC1? If you choose RC1, connect. Okay, आपको मेजर किस में करना है? Suppose you want to calculate the current in RC1. When two sources is in the circuit, जब आपकी दो सोर्सेज हैं तो करंट की वैल्यू क्या होगी RC1 में? मेजर विद द हेल्प ऑफ मल्टीमीटर. This multimeter used as a ammeter. What is the value of current? You know that ammeter is always connected in series. This current is 8.12 milliampere. 8.10, write down 8.1 milliampere when two sources is in the circuit. In superposition theorem, take one source and second source is set to 0. Means remove this source. Measure what is the value of current in this resistance. This current is 3.27. Write down. This is the reading for when E1 is connected and E2 is short circuit, or you can say remove this voltage. Connect. Second reading में आपको क्या करना है? Take this source and remove the E1. E1 को हम remove कर देंगे. Okay. What is the value of current? 6.6. Okay, if there is some error, I1 plus I2 is equal to I. If there is some error, then calculate the percentage error. Okay, this is known as superposition theorem. Thank you.